Before buying Shelby Systems, there are a few crucial things you need to know. It's a well-regarded church management software, but is it the right fit for your church's needs? In this video, we'll cover 12 things you should be aware of before making a decision. Stay tuned to the end for our comparison and a better option that might suit you even more. The first thing you need to know about Shelby Systems is that it's designed with churches of all sizes in mind. It offers a comprehensive set of features, including membership management, donation tracking, and event scheduling. But, compared to other solutions like Breeze or ChurchTrack, Shelby is often seen as more complex and has a steeper learning curve. This means if you want a more user-friendly solution, you might need to invest extra time in training. Next thing, Shelby Systems offers robust integration options. Whether you're looking to connect with financial systems or your website, it has the tools for that. However, the integration setup can be time-consuming, and some users have reported issues with syncing data between systems, especially if you have a less common software setup. The third thing to consider is that Shelby's customer support is generally solid, but not without its shortcomings. Some users have mentioned long response times, particularly when dealing with more complex issues. If you're looking for rapid support, this might be a downside compared to competitors like Planning Center, which is known for its quick and accessible customer service. Moving on, Shelby Systems comes with both cloud-based and on-premise options, giving you flexibility in how you want to manage your data. The cloud version allows for easy remote access, but it does come at a higher price. On the other hand, the on-premise version requires more upfront investment in hardware and setup, but might be a good option for larger organizations. The fifth thing you should know is that Shelby's mobile app is quite limited compared to other solutions. While it does let users access certain features like giving and event registration, it lacks some of the full functionality that you'll find in apps from competitors like Church Community Builder, which offer more comprehensive mobile experiences. Next, Shelby's pricing can be on the higher end, particularly when you factor in the additional modules you may need to purchase for specific features. If you're working with a tight budget, you might want to explore alternatives like Planning Center, which offers more flexible pricing and lower base costs. The seventh thing to note is that Shelby's interface can feel outdated. While it gets the job done, it doesn't have the modern, sleek design that some newer church management software solutions, like Rock RMS, provide. If ease of use and an intuitive interface are top priorities, Shelby might feel a bit behind. The eighth thing is that Shelby offers solid reporting tools, which is a major plus for churches that need detailed insights into their finances and operations. However, some users have reported that the reporting system can be difficult to navigate and customize, especially when compared to platforms like Breeze, which are known for their user-friendly reporting tools. Next up, Shelby has strong financial management features, including contribution tracking and accounting, which makes it ideal for churches that have complex financial needs. But if you're looking for a tool that's more straightforward and simpler for smaller churches, you might prefer something like ChurchTrack, which has a more intuitive approach to managing finances. The 10th thing to know is that Shelby offers a range of customizations, which can be great for tailoring the software to your specific needs. However, customizing Shelby can be time-consuming, and the platform is not as flexible as some alternatives, like Planning Center, which offer more customizable templates and features out of the box. The 11th point is that Shelby offers some integrations with third-party tools, but the options are limited. If you rely heavily on other software for your church operations, you might find the integrations lacking compared to a more open platform like Rock RMS, which is known for its extensive integration capabilities. Finally, Shelby is a good option if you're willing to invest time into learning and setting it up. It offers many features that can benefit churches looking for a powerful, all-in-one solution. But if you want something more user-friendly and flexible, we recommend checking out our preferred option, which you can try for free. It may be a better fit for your church's needs and is easier to get started with. In conclusion, while Shelby Systems is a solid choice, it's not the only option. Take the time to explore other solutions and choose the one that aligns best with your church's goals.